It's the bear house. Yeah. Come in, I'll show you. This earthen plaster. We think it's wheat paste. Lovely surfaces and round wood and live edge used. So many great places. This is the Bear House Airbnb at Golden Cup Wilderness in Ukiah, California, where we are rebuilding their Cobb sauna built by my buddy Sunray Kelly. Staying in the tree house in the redwoods there, but admiring all this other work that's just so fun. I love these undulations. Pieces of round wood. And this is a straw bale wall. It's super thick, keeps the place warm, and gives you these nice roundy edges. You go out into nature and find a piece of wood that does something fun at the edge of it, something natural. Look at this little slab. Here in the kitchen. Very simple counters, but they have a certain art to them just from using a live edge wood and trees. And a shelf that's truly unique in all the world. Because nature grew that shape. Nature gave it to us. Yeah. Somebody just sat here and polished this plaster. So it's smooth and feels good. Got the little bears in the stained glass. Out the back door, we have Madrone and Manzanita, a little cob oven. We're gonna replaster that while we're here. Outdoor shower. When you got a mild climate like this, you gotta have an outdoor shower. There's a chicken coop, it looks like. One of the lovely things about the West Coast is these trees that can handle being buried in the ground without rotting. We have some black locust and larch back where I live, but mostly everything rots. Yeah. Golden Cup Wilderness, Ukiah, California. A really great place to stay. Especially when we get the sauna rebuilt. UncleMud.com